Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2022 Model Y Stealth Wrap, matte, satin, whatever you'd like to call it. This is the XPEL version called Stealth. Same type of look when you cross the chain of films from Suntech, Lumar, same as Suntech, all-in-one, S-Tex, whatever they call it, and the other matte company. So this is XPEL's version, thicker, more durable, and they call it Stealth. Essentially, it gives you that satin look to the gloss paint. I'll give you a quick look at one of the 5 mini colors that Tesla has. And there's your gloss on the inside of the door jambs, and there's the Stealth film over it. So pretty simple to understand. There you go. So let's take a quick walk around this. Removing the T's so we don't have a line when you're doing a Stealth wrap. Much like the gloss, they're all the same, but you want to pay close attention to not having any gloss paint showing through and getting all this stuff in. Taking the trim off. I get this question a lot now. Not a big deal. Coming around all these edges, wrapping inside the whole A-pillar, coming around, wrapping our whole mirror in all the way around, wrapping all the way around the edges, and coming around there, getting our moldings all done, getting all this in, and continuing. Tesla, boy, I tell you, some of their paint issues are epic. Coming around through here, everything's nice, wrapping in our charging port, making sure everything's nice. I was able to wrap in these bumper edges, taking obviously the shrouds off, wrapping in. Coming around our wing, we don't remove the wing. If you do, good luck. You got to buy a new one. And if you go to retape it, it's not going to stick. You might get it stuck for a little bit, but it's not going to happen. Coming around the back, all wrapped in, all wrapped in, all wrapped in here. T again removed, placed back over the film. Wrapping all this in. Everything's looking good. On the other side, all wrapped in. All wrapped in, coming around here, everything's wrapped in. Getting our doors all wrapped in. Nice and clear on the film, everything's nice and clean. And that's about it, folks. The rest of it's gonna be redundant, and that's it. 22Y Stealth, gray paint underneath, matte gray on top. Thanks for watching, clearbrownorthdallas.com.